A thick band of cloud moved over the southern part of South Africa on Saturday, unfortunately only bringing in a few drops of rainfall with it. On our satellite, you'll see predominantly clear skies over the central and eastern parts, with a few thundershowers forming over the southeastern parts on Saturday afternoon. You'll also see thundershowers forming over Botswana, starting to move in over the northwest, and that continues overnight and into Sunday morning, with that band deepening as we head into Sunday, extending all the way through to the eastern interior and eventually the KwaZulu-Natal coastline. We're expecting a large amount of moisture in the west with a combination of low cloud and fog, and we'll see some cloud in the south with showers passing through the southern part of the Eastern Cape. On our wind map, you'll see a light to moderate northeasterly wind along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline with a light to moderate onshore breeze between George and East London, and we're forecasting a light to moderate westerly to northwesterly wind in Cape Town. Quite comfortable weather conditions for the Cape Town cycle tour. In the Northern Cape, we're expecting a sunny and hot afternoon for Uppington on Sunday at 33 degrees. Potchefstroom and Kimberley with isolated thundershowers in the mid-20s for Calvinia and Sutherland. Dry but with a large amount of cloud overhead for the Western Cape, 25 degrees for Cape Town, 29 for Worcester and Swellendam. We might see a few drops of rainfall into Hermanus at 23 degrees. Around 30 degrees in the afternoon for Oudtshoorn and Beaufort West, with showers passing through Port Elizabeth at 25 degrees. We're also expecting showers all the way through to East London, with thunderstorms in the forecast over the eastern half of the Eastern Cape, with another warm afternoon in store on Sunday. Cloudy weather settles in from Pietermaritzburg through to Durban with a high of around 30. We're forecasting isolated thundershowers throughout KwaZulu-Natal. We can also expect thundershowers into Mpumalanga and Mlatleni at 27, with a much warmer day for Bombela at 32 degrees. Dry over the eastern part of Limpopo, with thundershowers possibly spilling over into the southern part of the province, and there's a very slight chance of those thunderstorms reaching Polokwane, where we're forecasting a high of 28. Warm weather continues for the northwest, with highs in the upper 20s and low 30s, with between a 40 and 60% chance of thunderstorms. We're expecting scattered thunderstorms into the Free State, a slightly cooler day for Bloemfontein at 29, mild and cloudy for Bethlehem at 22 with a 60% chance of thunderstorms, 28 for Pretoria, 25 for Johannesburg and Soweto, with isolated thundershowers in the forecast on Sunday. On Monday, we'll start to see things clearing up and heating up over the western part of South Africa, with thunderstorms extending from Mahikeng all the way through to KwaZulu-Natal, and we'll see a similar rain pattern on Tuesday, with a sizzling hot day over the southern part of the country, and we'll see quite a bit of fog along the west coast. That's all from the weather.